Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have fresh natural aloe vera gel available to you at all times at home. You don't have to go and buy it every single time, and you definitely don't need to buy the store-bought ready-made aloe vera gel. You can have actual fresh aloe vera gel ready to use at all times for your skin and hair. And aloe vera has a lot of benefits for your skin and hair. It has a lot of beauty benefits. It also has very good health benefits. It is very good for losing weight. But today I'm going to show you how to extract the gel and keep it and store it and have it available to you fresh at all times. Aloe vera is very, very rich in vitamin C and E, and it helps your skin in keeping your skin younger and healthy. It has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Aloe vera is also very beneficial for skin. It can combat acne, fade dark spots, and acne scars. It soothes sunburn and it helps reduce tan. It moisturizes dry skin. It can also treat cold sores and provide relief from psoriasis and eczema. And it helps reduce under eye puffiness and dark circles. It also acts as a natural exfoliant. It also might help you slow down signs of aging, and over a period of time it can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It's also very good for people with sensitive skin. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the gel and store it. So I have an aloe vera leaf that I bought from a grocery store. These aloe vera leaves are very easily available nowadays at all grocery stores. So I have the leaf here. I've washed it and I'm chopping it up into big size pieces. Next thing I'm doing is, with the help of a peeler, I am removing the sides of the leaf which has thorns on it, and then I'm just gonna chop the piece from the center and make it into two pieces. And then with the help of a spoon, I'm just gonna scoop out the gel and put it into a mixie jar. So that's the first method. I find this method a little messy and hard to deal with. So this is not my method of preference, but I do use it sometimes when the need be. So in the next method, what I'm doing is I'm taking one of the pieces and peeling off the sides of the leaf which has the thorns on it. And then I'm chopping that piece into further smaller pieces. But make sure the pieces are not too thin, because otherwise it's going to be hard for you to grab it. And then with the help of a peeler, I'm actually just peeling off the skin off of the gel. And sometimes small green pieces will remain on the gel. It's going to be hard to 100% remove all the green stuff off of the gel. So that's okay. You can just blend it along with the green stuff. That's fine. A little bit here and there is not a big issue. So here you see I have the gel here, and I'm just adding it to the mixie jar. And then after we are done after we are done peeling the whole leaf and getting all the gel, I'm just going to add it to the mixie jar and blend it up into a very, very fine liquid. Once we have the aloe vera liquid ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some. I'm just going to put some on the side. I'm going to store it in a bottle so I can use that immediately for a hair mask or a skin mask or whatever I need to. And this will last me in the fridge for a week. It's safe to use. Safe to store it in the fridge for a week. The rest of it, I'm going to pour it into ice cubes and I will freeze them. And after they're frozen, I will take out those cubes and put them in a Ziploc bag and store them in the freezer. And I'll use them as the need be. I'll just take out one or two ice cubes or however many I need, and I'll use them for my masks and whatnot. So that is the way to store fresh aloe vera gel, so you don't have to buy the one from the market, because the other gel, the one from the market, has preservatives and it's not so pure. This is a better way to store it and use it fresh every single time. And guys, do not trash the peel of the leaf. The green stuff that you see, do not throw it. Just put it in a plate, spread it out in a plate and sun dry it outside, or you can actually dry it inside the house as well. It's not a problem. Once it's dry, you just make a powder and store it, and you can use it in your masks for your beauty, for your face mask or your body mask. It acts as a great exfoliator as well. So do not trash that. It's very, very valuable. And guys, this is all for the video. I hope you like my video, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I'll see you all again. Bye bye.